Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 5 to the power of 5x minus 5s squared is equal to s squared minus x. Solution. Now take note of this, that if you have a squared minus a, then this is the same thing as minus bracket a minus a square. Then if you have a minus b, this is equal to minus bracket b minus a. Then from here, this can be written as 5 is common here. We have 5 to the power of 5 bracket x minus s square, then is equal to s square minus x. Then this is 5 to the power of 5 bracket s minus s square. This is equal to minus s bracket minus s square. Now let s minus s square is equal to y. Then the whole of this become 5 to the power of 5y is equal to minus y. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 1 divided by y. This is 5 to the power of 5y, then to the power of 1 over y is equal to minus y to the power of 1 over y. This we cancel this. Then we have 5 to the power of 5 is equal to minus y to the power of 1 over y. Now, if you have minus y to the power of 1 over y is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Now, let 1 over y is equal to minus a. Then, y will be equal to minus 1 over a. Therefore, the whole of this is 1 over a to the power of minus a. This is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Also note that here minus y cannot be written as 1 over a. That is, from here, then we have a to the power of minus 1, then to the power of minus a. This is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Now take note of this, that if you have 1 divided by b to the power of n, this is equal to b to the power of minus n. Therefore, this can be written as a to the power of a is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Then by implication, you can see that the exponent is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Therefore, a is equal to 5. This is the value of a. And then recall that y is equal to minus 1 over a. Then y is equal to minus 1 over 5 because a is equal to 5. Then also note that x minus s squared is equal to y, and this is the value of y. Then we have minus 1 over 5 is equal to x minus s squared. Now let's multiply both sides by 5. So this is minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to s minus s squared multiplied by 5. Now this, we cancel this. Then we have minus 1 is equal to 5 multiplied by x. This is 5x minus s squared multiplied by 5. This is 5s squared. Then we have 5s squared minus 5x, then minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then a is equal to 5, b equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 1. We have s is equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 5. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 20, that is 45 over 10. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 45, that is 9 multiplied by 5 over 10. Then s is equal to 5 plus or minus, then square root of 9, that is 3, then square root of 5 over 10. Now s1 is equal to 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10 root 5, and s2 is equal to 5 over 10 minus 3 over 10 square root of 5. These are the values of x. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Or here you may say 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So this can also be written as s1 is equal to 1 over 2 plus 3 over 10 root 5, or s2 is equal to 1 over 2 minus 3 over 10 root 5. You may also leave your answer in this form. Thank you for watching. Bye.